This is the One Piece for Emperors Collector Set playing cards. Ito yung pinakabago sa One Piece na series na to. Sa series na to, 9 decks ang included dito. The first one is the Gear 5 Luffy. Ayan. Tapos meron sumunod si Sabo. We also have Law. And we have Big Mom in pink. We also have Kaido. And sunod niyan, si Blackbeard, si Sunny Blackbird. Tapos, ito naman, Shanks in red. You also have Whitebeard. And finally, the first one, Ace. Common cards on each deck, meron kang dalawang extra card with custom artwork. You have numbered cards na merong custom artwork on each pip. And ang unique dito on each deck is the back design. Ito for Luffy. You also have the custom or the unique Ace of Spades for Luffy. And yung mga court cards niya. Ito Gear 5 na Luffy. Tapos, pakita namin very quickly sa inyo yung mga iba-ibang editions. This one is for Ace. You have Whitebeard. For Shanks, Blackbeard, Kaido, Big Mom, Law, and Sabo. Yun lang.